Stop playing video games. Use your time to learn and save the world. This has been my message. When I see these young people playing endless hours of video games, just wasting their lives, there is so much to learn in the world about history, about science, about nutrition. But I just got this video by this guy, and he kind of made me see things a little bit differently. Not completely differently, but a little bit. Well, look, this guy's name is Robbie Carter, and he sent me a video, and he says that he is vegan and that he is using Minecraft to do vegan type things on there. So I thought, okay, fine, I'll have a look at it. Well, look at that face to begin with. What a cutie. Hey, bud.
So we really support that you're vegan.
Okay, so he says, hi, vegan teacher. We really support that you're vegan. Oh, that's so cool. That's nice.
So we really support that you're vegan, and we think what you're doing, telling all these YouTubers they should be vegan, is really cool.
Okay, so he's saying that he thinks that me telling all the YouTubers that they should be vegan is cool. And so now he's done something, some sort of a presentation. Let's have a look.
So we really support that you're vegan, and we think what you're doing, telling all these YouTubers they should be vegan, is really cool. So we made you your very own vegan store.
A vegan store? They made me a vegan store. Okay, what's a vegan store? Okay, I guess we're gonna look.
So we have the sign here.
It looks more like a snowstorm. Okay, I don't know. I don't know Minecraft at all.
Here that says be vegan.
Which is right.
Yeah, which...
Okay, so he says, what did he say? There's a sign there that says be vegan, and someone else is talking. I guess a sibling? I don't know, a friend?
Your very own vegan store. So we have the sign here that says be vegan.
Okay, a sign that says be vegan?
It's right.
Yeah, which everyone should be vegan.
Everyone should be vegan, yes! Oh, I love this kid. This is great. Yes, absolutely, you get it. That's wonderful.
In fact, I actually am vegan.
And he is vegan. Yay! Wonderful. And look, he doesn't look half dead, does he? Doesn't look protein deficient. Looks pretty happy. Looks pretty smart, pretty cute.
Have been for over 2 years.
2 years.
So through here we have...
He's been vegan for 2 years. Oh, Robbie, this is great. I'm so happy you sent this to me.
Just through the door. Silly me.
Yeah.
We have the door.
Wait, what did he say? I didn't catch that. Try again.
I actually am vegan and have been for over 2 years. So through here we have... Oops, just through the door. Silly.
Oh, so through here, I think he's saying through the door?
Yeah. We have the door.
Mm-hmm.
Just destroyed it again. Oh, no, didn't.
Oh, no, it just glitched.
I'm silly.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we know you hate Minecraft, so this is why we're doing this video, to try and make you just want to have it, like it a little bit more.
Okay, so he says, I know you hate Minecraft, so we're trying to do this just so you'll like it a little bit more.
And then in the barrels, in this one we've got all
Watermelon.
vegan. We've got watermelon.
Okay, so I don't know anything about Minecraft. I just know that, in general, video games are a waste of time. There's so much to learn, and kids are not getting enough exercise, as I said before. But this seems like something interesting. I mean, what you're buying something? Watermelon? Watermelon's vegan? That's good. What else?
Very nice. In this one, we've got all sweet berry.
Sweet berries, did he say? I guess it means like raspberries and strawberries?
Ooh.
What is that creature? What in the heck was that thing? Wait. So is that a square head with a purple top? What is that?
We've got watermelon. Very nice. In this one, we've got all sweet berry. Ooh.
What is that? Is that a person? That's supposed to be like the person who owns the store? The shop?
Oh, this is you. We named you.
We are
The
only female we can get was a witch, so yeah.
That's supposed to be me? The only female we could get was a witch. Yeah. Yeah. So what kind of a game is this, guys? Minecraft, where the only female you can get is a witch? What? I don't get it.
Kind of sorry about that.
Then in this one, we have some nice beetroot. Very delicious.
Nice beetroot. Okay. Very delicious. Good job. So far you're mentioning vegan foods. That's good.
This one we've got some glowing berries, very numb.
Glowing berries? Okay, I guess that's another kind of berry.
In
Maybe
this one,
cranberries? I don't know.
we've got some more melon.
Melon?
A really warm melon, but more glowing berries.
Okay.
Excuse me, vegan teacher.
Okay, he's being polite. He's saying, "Excuse me, vegan teacher," as he's trying to get past me with a square head and a giant purple cape.
Some more sweet berries. Some more not onions, beetroots.
Onions?
So yeah, that is the tour
Of
of
our
our very own
vegan
vegan
hut.
store. So I
Vegan
really hope
hut? One of them saying vegan hut and vegan store. Okay, well, hey, that's good. I don't know, I don't understand how Minecraft works. Can you not have other things in the store, like lentils, chickpeas? Can you have potatoes in the store? How about carrots? How about kale, spinach? Can you have all of these things? I don't understand how Minecraft works, but if you can, make a second video and, bulk up your store with all of these amazing, wonderful whole foods that are so healthy and nutritious. Add some oats in there, maybe some rice and some pasta. I would love to see part 2 of your video. But for now, I'm going to tell you this. I have a card here, and it says, this is a good presentation. So thank you, Robbie, and whoever your friend is. Thank you for this presentation. It's great. You're talking about vegan stuff. Well, let me finish if there's anything else here.
you can see this and you comment on it because it took a while to build.
Okay, they're asking if I can please see it and comment on it. Yeah, because it took a while to build. Okay, yeah.
But yeah, it was really fun and we're happy doing it for you.
And I'm happy to meet you. Oh my God. What I would have done to have a class full of these kind of kids when I was teaching in the classroom. It would have been just so wonderful. I never actually had a single vegan kid in my class. Well, one of them, but that's not true. I think there was one girl in grade 3 who said that she was vegan, but she seemed really shy about it, really nervous. Maybe she got teased, I don't know. But vegetarians, yes, but this is great. It's so happy to meet you. Thank you so much. Yes, this is a good presentation. In fact, it's pretty great. It's pretty great. I don't know how old you are, but I love that you're thinking about veganism, thinking about the animals. So thank you so much. I look forward to seeing video number 2. All right. Yeah, the only reason I found this is my husband said, oh, some kid did a video about you. I don't even know how he found it because you only have 3 views. So you guys, everyone give this person a lot of love. And to your mom and dad, tell them I said thank you, because we were all born vegan, but you said you've been vegan for 2 years. So that means someone in your family woke up to the fact that you were born vegan and they decided to stop feeding you dead animals, and that's great. And thank you for choosing soy milk or oat milk and anything else except for hurting the most innocent beings on this planet. So I really appreciate you. Coming up next, everyone, are going to be a bunch of other videos. Click on them, be curious, look around That Vegan Teacher site, and if you haven't yet done so, subscribe. Below is a subscribe button. You see it? Subscribe, press the notification bell, and help us get the animals out of hell. Thank you so much. Bye for now, guys.